Hey there! Today, we're talking about a game-changing feature in Stylish Cost Calculator, lead generation. Get ready to unlock your pricing and supercharge your lead capture. So what exactly is lead generation with Stylish Cost Calculator? Let's break it down. Lead generation is a powerful feature that turns your website visitors into valuable leads. Here's how it works. First, a visitor uses your calculator to estimate costs. But here's the twist. The total price is hidden or blurred, creating curiosity. To see the final price, they must provide their contact information. Once submitted, they get their quote, and you get a new lead. It's that simple. Additionally, you can implement conditional conversion tracking. This means redirecting users to different thank you pages based on their quote. It's a great way to keep them engaged and moving through your sales funnel. This lead generation feature is ideal for B2B companies with complex pricing structures, service-based businesses seeking qualified leads, e-commerce stores offering customized products, consultants and freelancers looking to grow their client base, and more. Let's look at a real example. Here's a car rental calculator. Notice how the total is blurred, encouraging users to provide their email to see the final price. It's a win-win. They get their quote, and you get a lead to nurture. Setting up your lead generation calculator is a breeze. Follow these steps. In your existing calculator editor, go to Calculator Settings, then click on Front-End Options, and then on Total Price Settings. Here you have two main options. Option 1. Remove the total price completely from view until the user submits their details. Option 2. Blur the total price, creating curiosity while still showing that there's a result waiting. Whichever option you choose, make sure to change the wording on your submit button to something enticing like "What's my cost?" or "Reveal my price." This encourages users to take that final step and provide their contact information. Ready to turn your calculator into a lead-generating machine? Want to try it out? Go to stylishcostcalculator.com and click Try the Calculator Builder. You can test all the cool features in the premium version. Our team is standing by to help you unlock the full potential of lead generation for your business. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below.